Hey guys, welcome to the first video of my channel, and today we're gonna start doing a very simple cheesecake, the Basque burnt cheesecake. It's super friendly to beginners. It's all you need to do is just mix and pour. Please note this recipe is for a 6-inch cake, so if you want to bake a different size, you can just search on cake tin conversion chart, which tells you exactly what scale factor to use. So firstly, you can spray some butter or oil around the cake pan to make your baking paper more attached to the pan surface. Then use 2 baking papers that overlap onto each other. Step 2 is to beat 300 to 350 grams of cream cheese on the medium-low speed until it looks very smooth and soft. And if you don't want to spending time beating up the cream cheese, and you want to speed up the process, you can simply heat it in the microwave at around 30 seconds. Then gradually add 80 to 90 grams of sugar, add just a bit of salt to bring out the complexity of the flavor, and mix them until all sugar and salt have dissolved and the texture is very smooth. Next is to steal 2 eggs from a chicken and crack 1 egg at a time into the mixture. Add 150 grams of heavy cream plus vanilla extract and continue to mix them well. Here comes the easy part, just pouring your cake mixture into your pan. Once your oven is preheated to about 200 to 220 degrees Celsius, throw your cake in and wait for about 15 minutes. When finished, check that the surface of your cake is nicely baked in dark brown. The cake will be a bit jiggly, and that's completely normal. Let the cake cool down to room temperature, and you can either serve it directly or chill it a bit further in the fridge.